Assalamualaikum students, be ready. Para at any rate, comma, the speaker continued, comma, the reporter was no longer the terror of public speakers, comma, and now only reported the speeches of the great lines of the front bench, full stop. He believed that the press did work for the cause of progress, comma, but at the same time he warned his hearers of their influence in the cause of peace, comma, and implored them to hesitate before they did anything to bring about the horrors of war, full stop. It is on this question of war, comma, he went on to say, comma, that you are not at one with me, full stop. You must not be vexed if I venture to repeat that I cannot see why you should condemn at all times, comma, and under all circumstances the influence of the press in the matter, comma, as if it were the duty of the journalist, comma, in so many words, comma, to denounce all wars and cry for peace on every occasion, full stop. A notable writer says war is sacred, comma, and there can surely be no doubt that it is absolutely necessary to use force for the suppression of tyranny and wrongdoing, full stop. I may not be able to see you for a long time to come, comma, so I hope you will not fail to write me on this subject, full stop. Doubtless you will be able to find some objections to my statements, semicolon. Still I am able to think that you will modify your views in the early future, full stop. If it be not too much trouble to you, comma, you will kindly post to me the copies of the pamphlets I lent you some time ago, comma, and although you may not have read all of them, comma, perhaps you will give me your opinion on those you have perused, full stop. We should exhibit charity in our words at all times, comma, and in this spirit I trust we shall always express our thoughts when writing to each other.